Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in the 2011 Cadillac Escalade. This Escalade is featured in a black paint and is the premier trim. Inside the vehicle we have heated and vented front seats, heated second row seating, optional third row seating, as well as a power liftgate and sunroof. Now into the interior of the Escalade. We can see our chrome door handle, and just in front of that, we can see our seat control program. On the door panel itself, we have all of our controls for our powered mirrors. Below that, our powered window controls, our window locks, as well as our door locks. In the bottom, we have a little bit of extra storage. To the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our settings for our lights. Above our steering wheel, we have our digital odometer in the center, as well as our cluster gauge. To the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our heated steering wheel button, as well as our cruise buttons. Then on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free. Coming to the center, we have a clock at the top. Below it, we have our nav, as well as our audio and our backup camera. Coming to the left-hand side of our infotainment system, we have our lane keep assist, our vehicle information settings as well. The right-hand side, we have our sensor button, if we choose to turn those off. Just at the bottom is all the buttons to change our audio, as well as other systems. At the bottom below it, we have our climate control. And then on the left and right hand side, we have the heated and vented seats options. Coming down, we have some extra storage in the form of a ashtray. We have two cup holders. Then we have our center console, which opens up in two different spots. So we have a leather, and then below it we have more storage. Inside of here, we have our remote for our DVD system, as well as our headphones. We can see our seats here. They're in a black leather finish, and of course they are vented and heated. Moving to the rear view mirror, we have our auto dimming button, as well as our OnStar buttons. Just above it, that is our garage door opener. Then above it, we have our two light controls, and then lastly, our sunroof controls. Now walking down the side of our Escalade, moving to our wheels, we can see our aluminum KMC rims. Moving up, we can see our paint match mirror with chrome capping, as well as our chrome door handles. Just below, we have our running boards, which are black with a chrome finish on them. Moving into the back of the vehicle, in the center, we can see our Cadillac logo. We have our auto-open rear hitch that can be opened from our key. Then once we are in the back of the vehicle, we can see we can remove our third row seating, which is in a 50-50 split, and we can also fold it down for lots of storage. Now into the rear of the Escalade, we can see our chrome door handle, as well as our window control. In the seats in front, we can see that we have our magazine holder. Coming to the middle, below our center console, we can see that we have our heated outboard seats, as well as our climate control and our audio controls. Coming above that, we have our Panasonic DVD player. The second row seats are featured in our black leather as well. They are a 60-40 split. We do have a center storage area with cup holders. Then we have our third row seating, which adds two additional seats. They are in a 50-50 split. As we can see, they are flat fold downs and once again black leather. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2011 Cadillac Escalade. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.